So this is a speech, more or less, on a Star Trek episode where they realize that if they gather up all these DNA strands and they enter the DNA code into their computer, that something is going to happen, that it's going to complete a program, and something's going to happen, but nobody knows what it is. And you got all the main species characters on this show, which are the Cardassians, the Romulans, the Klingons, and the humans, and they all seem to fight all throughout the whole series, and are all competing against each other now to figure out what this computer program is with everybody's DNA. And of course, they all have their own slant to what they think it's going to be. The Klingons think it's going to be a weapon. The Romulans think it's going to be unlimited power. But in the humans think it's going to be something peaceful, of course, because that's what the humans in the 24th century seem to be focused on, is peace. So in this scene, they finally input the last DNA code into their handheld computer, and it projects an image in front of them, and they see a person, a female, but that has very little features. They have eyes, nose, and mouth, but it's kind of like very plain, like a blank slate. And it's a woman, and she starts talking. So this is what she says. She comes on out, and there she is standing in front of all the different species, and she says, "You're wondering who we are, why we have done this, how it has come that I stand before you, the image of a being from so long ago. Life evolved on our planet before all others in this part of the galaxy. We left our home, explored the stars, and found none like ourselves. Our civilization thrived for ages, but what is the life of one race compared to the vast stretches of cosmic time? We knew that someday we'd be gone, that nothing of us would survive, so we left you. Our scientists seeded the primordial oceans of many different worlds, where life was in its infancy. Those seed codes guided your evolution to a physical form resembling ours, this body you see before you, which is, of course, as shaped as yours is shaped, for you are the end result. Those seed codes also contained this message, which we scattered in fragments on many different worlds. It was our hope that you would come together in friendship and in companionship to hear this message. And if you can hear and see us, our hope has been fulfilled, for you are a monument not to our greatness, but to our existence. It was our wish that you too would know life and keep alive our memory. There is something of us in each of you, and so something of you in each other. Remember us." Thank you.